So check it out. After I got done repairing the 8206 Lionel MPC era Hudson, I remembered that I had this post-war Hudson up in the cabinet. I guess they called these baby Hudsons because I don't know, the one that's highly sought after, 733, I can't remember the number of it, but it's out of my budget. But these are certainly affordable, so I've got this one that I had repaired the cab roof. It completely chipped off the corner there, so I used some JB Weld steel stick and I shaped it, and then I just touched up with some flat black and used a little Armor All to match the sheen. And I also had a little problem with the motor brushes were sticky, and so it would run rough at first. So I took them out, I polished the sleeves, I just ran a little Q-tip up in there with a little the contact cleaner on it. And then I cleaned the brushes. And I have some new brushes coming too, so I can just replace them. Also, I've got some of the little jewels for the marker lights, so we'll get those replaced. And I put some Mega Steam down the stack. I'm not sure, I think this one actually had the little pills, but the Mega Steam does work and works great. And there is a little wick in there. I know I've run them before in my post-war locomotives and it didn't hurt anything. So we're going to take it for a spin. And first I also wanted to compare it to the MPC era one, which the MPC era one's just a little bit shorter, a little narrower, not quite as heavy. But this one's actually a better puller because it has a traction tire, and the MPC era one does not have magna traction. So anyway, we'll take it for a spin and check it out. Maybe with a whistle tender that I've got hooked up to it, we'll do a little challenge with a Girard Marx station, see what the difference in tone is. So here we go. This one has a better smoke unit than the MPC era does. Definitely a better smoker. Smoke just pouring out of the thing. Lionel whistles louder. Pretty close in tone though with the Marx one. That is really neat, though. I like the vintage sounds of these. All right, got it running really good. I love these old Lionel behemoths. They're just big. They're decent pullers. I can imagine what this must pull like if it had magna traction. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.